That's a good question.
Rolling Stone calls open water diabolically clever.
Oh, God, please let this be them.
I don't think they can see us.
Intensely frightening.
Think it's time to swim?
It achieves a primal terror.
We're stuck in the middle of the ocean.
The most terrifying film of the summer.
Oh, God, something's rubbing against my foot.
Prepare to jump out of your skin.